All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Okay, it all depends on when you are coming across to this YouTube channel. Okay, so we are Brainybite tutorial. Okay, what we do here is that we teach you guys everything that concerns Jamb and admission. Okay, so we also help you guys with updates, everything about admission. So if you have been writing Jamb for a very long time, you are not making it, and you want to gain admission, please, I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, so let me know, because we have a WhatsApp community. So let me know that you want to join us on our WhatsApp community. You'll be there. I'll be there to give you my WhatsApp number, so I can add you on WhatsApp, on our WhatsApp community. Right there on our WhatsApp community, I will direct you with anything that concerns your admission. Most importantly, I will also help you to secure admission. Okay, so if you don't have anybody, I can work at admission for you. Don't have anybody at all, and you really want to go to school. Okay, so I want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let me know. So even if you have a very low Jamb score, so we'll help you and we'll assist you. You go to school. Okay, so today I don't want to bother you guys. I promise all my subscribers that whatsoever question my candidate ask me, both online and offline, I will definitely have to answer it on this platform, so that you guys out there will equally get or learn something from there also. All right, so that's basically why I always come here to answer all of my questions for you guys. All right, so after watching this content, if you really get anything from the video, so I want you to leave me a thumbs up. Then let me know in the comment section if there is anything bothering you at all that you want me to help you. If there is any challenge at all you are having, you want me to help you solve. Okay, so let me know in the comment section. I'll be right there to answer all of your questions. All right, so that's it. So if you like, let's look at on our topic for the day. So if you look at on our topic for the day, you'll find out that we have Alex Ekweme Federal University. All right, so after the just concluded UTME examination, some of my candidates came asking me about what's the next thing to do after now, what the next procedure after now, what the next thing we can do after now. All right, so I told them that to hold on my YouTube channel. I will be uploading all of these things there, the next thing you need to do and the next step to follow. Okay, basically the next thing we need to do after after Jamb UTME examination, the next thing that awaits us is post-UTME examination. That's the next thing that awaits us. Okay, so you need to register for the post-UTME. So however, some school doesn't write post-UTME. Some schools like Alex Ekweme Federal University, they don't write post-UTME. What they do is internal screening. Okay, so so that doesn't mean you will not register the post-UTME. All right, so you will definitely have to register it and allow them to do their screening. After screening, they will give you your aggregate. All right, so that you will know, or they will know, if you meet the university criteria for admission or not. All right, so it is important for you to become our member, so that we will direct you. Okay, so when you have us, you don't need to panic about anything. All right, so we'll definitely direct you in everything you are going to do, so that you don't make mistake that can hinder you not to gain admission. All right, so that's basically the reason why you need to become our member. Most importantly, if you have not written Jamb for the first time, maybe this is the first time you are writing Jamb. If this is your first time you are writing Jamb, please, you need someone that will guide you. So we are here to guide you. The only thing you have to do is to join us on our WhatsApp platform, then we'll guide you. All right, so that's that. So you will have to register for the exam first. So after registering for the exam, they will be the one to decide the aggregate. So if you want to know, currently now the form is not out. So if you want to know when the form is out, if you want to update it, to be updated once the form is out, so I want you to stay tuned. Right, stay tuned, subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on all the bell notifications, so that once the form is out, I will notify you guys on YouTube, and you will know, I will tell you guys how to get the form. All right, you can still get the form from us. Right, so that's why it is important for you to join our WhatsApp. All right, it is important for you to join our WhatsApp. Okay, so very very quick one, the last one on our list. So Updates will still be, I will still be dropping updates on our WhatsApp platform. Okay, so when we have emergency or any update, all right, so any update or anything at all, so okay, I'll be dropping it on our WhatsApp platform. All right, so it is important for you to join us. So that's basically how it is. Okay, so that's where I believe I've answered the question for tonight. All right, so I believe I've answered all of our questions. All right, so if you have any further thing you want me to know, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be right there to answer all of your questions. All right, so you also have anything you want me to assist you of, let me also, you can let me message me on, you can let me know in the comment section that you want to have my number. Then I'll give you my number. If the thing is something is confidential, you don't want to others to know what you want to tell me, all right, so you just tell me that you need my contact on our WhatsApp. So I'll give you my WhatsApp number, you message me on WhatsApp. All right, so I'll be ready to answer all of your questions. Believe me, we'll have answers to any challenge at all you are facing. All right, so until I see you again, don't forget that I love and cherish you guys. Okay, keep winning.